Hello everyone. Today I will show how to test the TV. The TV didn't turn on. If you want to set the pack, the pack will be found on the back at the TV with the white sticker. That model is the UN H6203. The model code right here. See, that's the model code. The model always on the back of the TV. And if you want to check the TV, you got to test the screw now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will open all the screws and show you how to test the after you open all the screws out, okay, one more. This one is power supply, and that one they call the main board, and the bottom one right here they call the T-Con. When the T-Con problem, they got the blue screen, the backlight turn on. The backlight turn on. You see the backlight on, but the T-Con problem, they got the blue screen. But this one didn't turn on. And sometimes this model, the power supply or the backlight, something wrong with the backlight. The TV didn't turn on either. Now you know the way how to test the backlight. Okay, now you disconnect it. Disconnect the wire right here. This wire go to the main board. This wire go to the main board. This one they go to the backlight. Okay, now when you plug it in, you see the backlight on. See, at the backlight on, you can see it. See the backlight come on. See.
Yeah, I closed it all.
Yeah. When you plug it in, you already disconnected. You plug it in the power. You see the backlight come on. See the backlight come on. That means the backlight okay. And your T-Con board problem. But more of this Samsung, the backlight no good. They didn't turn on the TV. You got to disconnect it. Disconnect the backlight, and then you plug you let the wire connect directly to the main board, and then you're able to turn on the TV. But the backlight didn't turn on because you disconnected the backlight problem, and then you can use the flat light. to for in the front to see the picture, and then the TV will come on. When the TV come on, okay, now you can turn the TV on, but you see the red light come out from here. That means the TV come on. Okay, let it turn the TV on. Now I use the remote. I turn the TV on. You see the TV come on? See the red light come here? That's from optical. See that from optical. Come on, now I turn up. See the optical turn up. Now I turn on. You're able to see the red light. Come on. If I turn it on. See? You see the red light come on from here. From optical. See, from optical input. And then you're able to see the picture. But you got to use the flashlight to point right in front of the TV to see the picture. Yeah, you see the picture. You see 50. That's the one. You see? That you see? You see the letter inside the screen? Yeah, that. How to test it? You see the picture inside? Yeah. See? It's hard to see, but you got to see it. You see the picture inside, the letter, some letter. Show you how to see it. Now I can see it. Yeah, you see the city. See city. See letter. Yeah. Yeah, you see tenda. Yes. See like that. Hard to see, but inside.